Hey, my name is Jacob. I work at Slack, and this is part 4 of 3 Slack features you should know. There's probably going to be more than 3 that I'm going to show you because I'm going to focus on one native Slack feature called Workflow Builder, which is Slack's native automation tool. What I'm about to show you can be done by anyone, even if you're a beginner at Slack. So let's set the stage. I have a channel called Team Marketing, and you want to send a reminder once weekly, the day prior to your team meeting, to collect agenda items for your marketing team meeting. The first thing I'm going to do is head over to Automations, and I'm going to click in. Then you'll see in the upper right-hand corner, New Workflow. I want to build a workflow. And now you're in Workflow Builder. So you want to start the workflow. You want to choose an event, which you can think of as a trigger. So I'm going to choose an event. And remember, I want to remind my team the day prior to submit agenda items. So I want this workflow automation to be on a schedule. And so now I'm choosing the date and time and frequency of this reminder. So maybe our meetings are on Thursdays and I want to start this next week on July 9th. Maybe I want the trigger to go off at 3 p.m. my time. Frequency, I want this to be weekly on Wednesdays because remember our team meetings are on Thursday and I want to remind everyone to submit agenda items the day prior. After you click continue, you'll notice here, start the workflow on July 9th at 3 p.m. my local time and repeats weekly on Wednesdays. Now that's great, but what exactly triggers into the team marketing channel at 3 p.m. weekly on Wednesdays? That's where you're going to add a step. So I want to send a message to a channel, and notice how this modal pops up where you can design your message. I want this message to go to team marketing, and here's where I can customize my message. What I have here is my message that will go out weekly on Wednesdays, the day prior to the meeting, call for agenda items with a little fun whale emoji because why not? And then the message says, hey, team marketing, in advance of tomorrow's team meeting, please submit your agenda items in thread. See you soon. And you're going to want to save that. Now my workflow is almost done. So what do we have so far? On July 9th at 3 p.m., repeating on Wednesdays, this message gets sent to team marketing. Now what I'm going to do is just some housekeeping and clean up the title and description. We're all ready to go and we're going to finish up. Everything is looking good. You can also upload a custom image here if you'd like, and then we're going to publish. And so now you can see the workflow has published successfully to the team marketing channel, reminding them to submit agenda items. This example doesn't even scratch the surface of what Workflow Builder can do. Stay tuned for part 5.